folks. It's about 11 AM in the morning and we just had a bit of a southerly buster come through. We lost power about half an hour ago. Just to give you some idea of the wind we're experiencing at the moment. You see the speed of the cloud, the way it's moving across the sky there. So out in this area it's not uncommon to lose power in winds like this. But, another thing you probably should consider too, if you're walking around in the bush or camping out in the bush, you don't camp under these trees because they drop their limbs. And it's quite possible what's happened is that somewhere around here we've got very old power infrastructure that a tree's come down across the line. So we've had nearly a week of winds. Certainly this is the worst day. But temperature's actually dropped since the sun up this morning. It's got quite a wind chill behind it. So there it is, folks. I'll see you later.